The globe. A model of the Earth. The globe is a small model of the Earth. The globe turns around a line that passes through its middle. This line is called the axis. The axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees from the vertical. The two ends of the axis are called the poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. Midway between the poles is an imaginary line circling the Earth. It is called the equator. It divides the Earth into two equal halves, called the hemispheres. To the north of the equator is the northern hemisphere, and to the south of the equator is the southern hemisphere. To locate places on the globe, horizontal and vertical lines are drawn on it. The horizontal lines are known as latitudes or parallels. The vertical lines are called longitudes or meridians. Features of latitudes. Latitudes to the north of the equator are numbered from 0 degrees to 90 degrees north, and those to the south of the equator are numbered from 0 degrees to 90 degrees south. Latitudes run parallel to each other in the east-west direction. They are at an equal distance from each other. All of them form complete circles except the north and south poles, which are points. The latitudes decrease in length as you move from the equator to the poles. The important lines of latitude are the Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees north, the equator at 0 degrees, the Arctic Circle at 66.5 degrees north, the Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees south, the Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south, the North Pole and the South Pole at 90 degrees north and south respectively. Features of longitude. The lines of longitudes are semicircles that run from one pole to the other pole. They run in a true north-south direction. They are spaced farthest apart at the equator and come together to a point at the poles. The important lines of longitude. The longitude running through Greenwich near London is marked 0 degrees. It is called the Greenwich Meridian or the Prime Meridian. The 180 degrees east and the 180 degrees west longitudes meet and form a single line called the International Date Line. The global grid. The latitudes and the longitudes cut each other at right angles to form a network of lines or a grid on the globe. If we know the longitude and the latitude of a place, we can locate it accurately on the global grid.